So today we're working on a 2016 Nissan Rogue. Customer complained that the AC wasn't working very well, and I hooked my line set up. I could tell that it had plenty of pressure, everything was cycling perfectly, but the blower wasn't working very well. So I just want to show you folks a quick, easy way to fix your AC and make your driving experience much better and healthier. So you take this panel off, and inside here, right there, is where your cabin air filter goes. There's this screw, I already loosened it. Pull this right off. The cabin air filter goes inside that holder there. I already pulled it out, and here is the problem. This thing is filthy. So what that does is that limits the amount of airflow that can go through your evaporator, cooling your cabin down. And I mean, you're just breathing this crap in. This is awful. So that's why the AC wasn't working very well. Like, all this crap came out of here. This car is pretty clean. All that crap came out of there. So I gotta clean all this up for the customer, but there you go. Quick, easy way to improve your air conditioning. It just wasn't flowing. Pretty nasty. And these things are cheap. It's like a $6 filter. Takes about, I don't know, a couple minutes to change. 5 minutes maybe. Pretty easy. There you go.